Working in the UK as an international student. Top tips and advice. Here is a step-by-step guide on how you can work in the UK as a student. Number 1. Check your visa eligibility. Ensure that your visa allows you to work in the UK. Most full-time international students on a Tier 4 General Students Visa are usually permitted to work part-time during term time and full-time during holidays. However, there might be some restrictions based on your specific visa conditions, so it is crucial to verify this. Number 2. Find a job. Look for suitable job opportunities. Common options for students include part-time roles in retail, hospitality, tutoring, or administrative work. Universities often have job boards or career services that can help you find employment opportunities suitable for students. Number 3. Understand work restrictions. Be aware of the number of hours you are allowed to work during term time and vacations. Typically, international students are allowed to work up to 20 hours per week during term time and full-time during holidays. Ensure you don't exceed these limits as it could lead to visa issues. Number 4. Prepare necessary documents. Before applying for jobs, make sure you have all the required documents. This usually includes your passport, visa, biometric residence permit or BRP, national insurance number if applicable, and proof of enrollment at your educational institution. Number 5. Apply for a national insurance number or NIN. While it is not mandatory to have a national insurance number to start working in the UK, having one is highly recommended. It makes it easier for your employer to deduct the correct amount of tax and national insurance contributions from your pay. You can apply for an NIN by contacting the Job Center Plus. Number 6. Apply for job. Once you have all the necessary documents and a clear understanding of your visa restrictions, start applying for jobs. Tailor your CV or resume and cover letter to each position you apply for, highlighting any relevant skills and experience. Number 7. Attend interviews. If you are invited for interviews, make sure to prepare adequately. Research the company, practice common interview questions, and dress appropriately. Arrive on time and be prepared to discuss your availability for work. And in order for you to pass your interview with flying colors, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 8. Obtain a confirmation of acceptance for studies or CAS. If you are studying at a higher education institution and your course is longer than 6 months, you might need to provide a confirmation of acceptance for studies or CAS from your university when applying for your visa. This document confirms your eligibility for the Tier 4 student visa. Number 9. Comply with visa regulations. Ensure that you comply with all visa regulations regarding work hours, reporting changes in circumstances, and maintaining your student status. Failure to comply with these regulations could result in your visa being revoked or future visa applications being rejected. Number 10. Enjoy your work experience. Once you secure a job, make the most of your work experience. It is an excellent opportunity to gain valuable skills, earn extra income, and immerse yourself in the culture of the UK. By following these steps, you can navigate the process of working in the UK as a student effectively and legally. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey today. Remember, no matter what challenges you are facing, always keep pushing forward. As the great Helen Keller once said, although the world is full of suffering, it is also full of overcoming it. We are incredibly grateful for your support and the time you have spent with us. Together, we can inspire and uplift each other to reach new heights. Remember, you have the power to make a difference in someone's life, even with the smallest act of kindness. Thank you once again for being a part of our community. Together, we can create a brighter tomorrow. Until next time, stay positive, stay resilient, and keep shining your light.